bash left Thomas like this. But don't you worry, viewers, this Thomas can be repaired. And it can also run this way. And since this Thomas can easily be repaired, this Thomas wants to take lots of risk. Here is the time. You can see how Thomas can be repaired, very easy, and that's why it wants to go all the way up. Thomas failed. Huge boulder crashed, made bash like this, but don't you worry, these bash can be repaired. And it can even go like this without any problem, and let's see what happens. So even though it seems already it needs repaired because of the damage, but still it can work like this, struggling to go up but cannot make. So let's go ahead and repair this bash. Here you can see how easily the face can be repaired. And so is the body. Now you can see the body is repaired too. It has X like dash. Dash and bash are kind of synonymous. They are always pronounced together, look identical, and they are seen mostly in the jungle setting. Then goes Diesel10. Let's see what happens to Diesel10. Diesel10 got stuck here. This crashed, left Diesel10 like this, but don't you worry, this Diesel10, it has the compatibility of quick repair. And even when Diesel10 is crashed, it can still run. There goes the crashed diesel train. There goes the crashed Diesel10. Oh, and here is the golden egg that is being pushed by Diesel10. Diesel10 got stuck here, but that's okay. Needs for little boost up. Let's see what happens. Here is again with little boost up, and let's see how Diesel10 performs. Broken bridge, but Diesel10 doesn't mind. So are Thomas and Bash. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Here you can see the mashed up Diesel10, but this Diesel10 can easily be repaired because it has the compatibility of quick repair. Here you can see how easily it got its face back and the body as well, and the claw. Here you can see a little bit protruding. What do? You just go ahead and fix it easy. You can see how it has been fixed. So since it has the compatibility of quick fixing, it doesn't mind to crash. Now is the time to open the egg. Diesel10 is stirring the egg. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this egg. Guess who it is with all the Play Doh on it. Here you can see a little better. There you go. Lightning McQueen of Disney Cars. Alright, thank you viewers for watching. Here you can see all this crash and repair. Engines are posing for a picture, and please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, check other videos, and if you want to see more videos, please don't forget to click the link below. Thank you. See you again.